Excuse me.
What did we find?
What is this? I don't know what this is.
Empty.
It's electronics. It's electronics.
He's interested. These are old Burlingtons.
Not nice to correct. That's not very nice, is it not?
Might as well get a picture of the buttons.
That's interesting.
Orange lights. All right, motor. I think these are pretty good so far.
Ain't nothing interesting out there.
You have a non-stop button here. That's interesting. I do like the way this cab looks. I'm not gonna lie.
It's very nice looking. Though it is hurting my eyes.
Old indicator right there.
Oh.
It is maintained by Elevator Refurbishing.
Of course it is. Other one?
Yes, and I think I could cheese it and do this. Yep. I think this one had the better motor.
This one's brighter.
This one doesn't have the basement. I think this one had an epic motor switch. I was told these were a lot louder.
That wasn't fun. Oh my gosh, these things are bouncy.
Yeah, Elevator Refurbishing's got these. That's probably who did the mod. This is what the old indicator used to be. Yeah. I like these cabs a lot. Fast leveling. Okay.
Done?
Yeah. I think we're good. JL equipment, so that makes sense. Surprised they didn't put regular indicators to cover up those.
Oh well.
Okay, well, that's it.